Hello students, today we are again with a new topic for discussion of the NEET examinations. It is one of the important topic to discuss with the students, those who are appearing for the board examinations and after board examinations, because it will decide your future, what to do. So the doubt which is there in your mind will get clear after seeing this video. How to crack the NEET exam, preparation for the NEET 2020, eligibility and marking scheme. Let us see now how this exam is been conducted, what are the eligibility criteria and what are the marking scheme, and when this exam is going to be conducted for the year 2020. Let's see. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test is the full form of NEET. In the year 2020, it will be conducted by the National Test Agency, that is NTA, for the admission to MBBS, BDS courses and other undergraduate medical courses in the approved recognized medical, dental and other colleges, institutes in India. Thus, the admission to MBBS courses in AIIMS, that is All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, JIPMER and all aims like institutions will be made through the NEET. The eligibility criteria is applicable to appear in NEET, that is the UG shall be applicable to the candidates which are desirous to take admission in INS like AIIMS. Similarly, the criteria for the minimum qualifying marks to be eligible for the admission to MBBS course shall also be applicable to the INIS, that is All Indians norms. Further, the common counseling for admission to MBBS course in INIS shall be conducted by DGHS as per the time schedule specified to MCI's, that is Medical Council of India's regulations. The NEET exam 2020 will be conducted on Sunday, that is on 13 September 2020 as per the conditions which will be further indicated to you on the website of the official website of the NEET. The responsibility of NTA, that is National Talent Agencies, is limited to conduct of the entrance examination, declaration of result and for providing all India rank merit list to the Directorate General Health Services, Government of India, for conduct of counseling for 15% all Indian quota seats and for providing the results to the states and counseling authorities. NEET exam pattern 2020 is as follows. Medical aspirants who is wishing to pursue the MBBS, BDS and medical courses must appear for the NEET 2020 exam pattern along with their preparation efforts. The exam pattern for NEET 2020 gives the detail of the type of exam, mode of paper, language duration, question type, marking schemes and more. So preparing for the NEET will be an inadequate without a proper familiarity with the NEET exam pattern 2020. Let us discuss the silent feature mentioned in the exam pattern for the NEET 2020, in that the exam mode is in pen and paper based, that is an offline base. So knowing how to mark the OMR sheet becomes an important factor in the preparation, as a mistake can't be erased. Similarly, to crack the NEET, the students have to be quick enough which and where knowing the practicing with the given timing limit of the exam makes the difference. NEET 2020 exam pattern denotes a 3 hours long term, that is candidate must have to answer 180 multiple choice questions for physics, chemistry, biology as per the given syllabus. Number of questions is 180 multiplied by 4, that is the question total marks will be 720 marks. The number of question for physics is 45, for chemistry there will be 45 question and for biology there will be 90 question. In biology there are again two divisions, like for botany 45 marks, that is 45 question multiplied by 4, and for zoology 45 multiplied by 4. So there will be 90 question, that is biology will be including 90 multiplied by 4, that is of 360 marks, while the physics and chemistry will have 180 plus 180. So physics 180 marks, chemistry 180 marks and biology 360 marks. Overall it will be of 720 marks. Here you have to remember, for every correct answer you will get 4 marks, and for every wrong answer -1 is deducted, that is 25% deduction. The question paper type will be MCQ type. It is offline based, that's why pen and paper based. How the NEET score is calculated? For every correct answer we have said as well as that 4 marks will be given. For wrong answer 1 marks will be deducted. So the NEET score will be calculated, which is equal to correct multiplied by 4 minus incorrect multiplied by 1. Normalization is used for nullify. How the NEET score is calculated? We just have seen the calculation formula. The normalizations with the difficulty level as well as the question paper in various exams is decided by the NEET body. Therefore, I hope you have understood the video. I hope you will like the video. Thank you for watching the video.